So here I'm doing a difference of two means, right? So I'm going to subtract these two means. I've got my sample size, I've got my population standard deviations, I've got my standard error, which is the crazy new looking thing that I have typed up in the form here. This one, right? So I take the square root of my standard deviation for the first sample, squared divided by 22, plus the square, or plus this number squared divided by 22. That whole thing is square rooted altogether, so you can't break that square root up. That's my standard error. For my test statistic, I just subtract these two numbers and then minus that from 0. And that's my test statistic. For the p-value, what I can do is I can do my t-distribution, my test statistic, 21 degrees of freedom, and I know it's true, but then I have to subtract from 1, and then I have to multiply by 2 to get this number. Another student pointed out that you can actually just do t.distribution.2t's, so it'll tell you the probability that's in both tails, so you don't have to multiply or subtract by 1 and multiply by 2 anymore, which is really helpful. So I've got my test statistic and I've got 21 degrees of freedom. Anywho, these are my p-values that I end up getting. Gotta run, but if you have more questions on this problem, feel free to post. And if you are unsure where your numbers are coming from or how you got your numbers incorrect, please let me know. All right, thanks.